Okay, as you saw when trying to, this is my diesel can, and I was putting diesel fuel in my generator, and this is a little older style. Okay, I like them, but when you go to fill up your, like my generator or whatever, okay, it gurgles a lot, and then as it goes further down, the sides contract and go back and forth, and it's because it has an extra little pipe in here that brings the fuel. They have the extra area that allows more air into the can so you can empty the tank faster. The thing is that it still takes a long time to empty the tank with this. And it's uncomfortable, like when I'm trying to fill my generator. I try not to let it go down more than a few gallons at a time before I fill it up. But if a hurricane hits and we're without power, I'm going to need to fill it up quickly. So I've decided to go ahead and add this. Okay, I'm going to add it in here. Not quite sure where I should add it yet, but this will then put more air into the tank and should allow the fuel to empty out of this tank a whole lot faster. It's troublesome when I'm trying to fill my generator. When I let it go down too far, it holds about 20 gallons of fuel at a time, and I try not to let it go more than 4 gallons down before I fill it up to the top. And just getting 4 gallons out of this can is rough. So I'm going to try this. So I bought these online. These are going to be in the description. And they say they need a 31/64. Well, that's not a common drill bit everybody's going to have. Unless you have a nice set. And I may put one of those in the descriptions also. It gives you a bunch of different drill bits. Okay? I have a 29/64, which is too short, too less. 1/2 inch is too big. Would be 1/16 or 1/30. Will be 1/64 too big. So I have a 15/32, which would actually be 30/64. It'll be one under. 1/64 under. So I'm going to go with that. I have it. So that's what I'm going to use. All right. I don't know if I should put it here. I don't want to drill in the center of where this is sealed together. If I break that seal, then the can's no good. So I think I'm going to go right there. Not applying a whole lot of pressure. I'm just letting the bit cut into it slowly. As soon as it grabs, it's going to want to grab the drill bit in. And what you're going to want to do is pull back quickly, and it should give you a clean cut. Okay. All right. Okay. Now that gave us a really nice clean cut. Now this is going to be a little tighter than what they say. Oh, yes. And that puppy's in there nice and tight. Okay? That'll go right on there. Okay? Now when I want to fill it up, I'm just gonna pop it and fill that thing up. Quick, 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 without the glug, glug, glug. All right. That's a good way to modify. This is an older style can. I like it. And I think it's gonna work very well. Okay. Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Give me a thumbs up. All right? Do your own little modifications. They're simple. This isn't gonna hurt anything. This is a quality part. Now I'll be able to fill my generator up quickly instead of sitting there waiting for this thing to glug, glug, glug. All right. See you on the next one.